Hello once again all you YouTubers, welcome back to my channel, and this is Djmahaneet exploring Chikkamagalur this weekend. And today is Thursday, and the time right now it's 10:15 in the morning. I'm just heading towards Bisle Ghats right now. I'm on my Africa twin today, as it's a long distance touring, and we have some beautiful weather. The monsoon is still on. It's expected to be on till October mid, I think, or most probably it might get switched to end of October. And Kannuru Kodilpete. Need to take a left here. There's a sharp right curve. Shivana Sante. I couldn't read that. Well, this is the right time to tour around the Western Ghats, the monsoon season. If you have not done any touring, this is it. Start doing it right now. The later never comes. That's what I've realized. If you keep planning it for a later stage, it never happens. I'm a bit low on fuel. Probably next bunk I need to fuel up. All the interior roads, it's not worth taking a risk. Dodda Estate. Looks like we're climbing uphill. There's a steep inclination.
Well, do leave your comments below or any feedback you have on my videos. Looking forward to the same.
This one side forest and one side coffee estates. Beautiful. Chikkamagalur or Chikkamagalur, I didn't read. Kupana Estates. Wow, some more valleys and mountains. Very beautiful and scenic route this is. Some issue with my tying bag. Well, check out the weather. Suddenly changed and it's cloudy and kind of drizzling. That hill looks like Bisle Betta. Let's hope it doesn't rain. Hope to catch some good view at Bisle View Point. There's supposed to be a beautiful viewpoint. I've never been there. Another 10 kilometers. The weather is totally changed. Hope it's just a passing cloud in this area and not across Chikkamagalur. Wow, such a beautiful stretch of road this is. Hills, mountains, paddy fields, forest. It's got it all. Looks like the skies are slowly clearing up. Hopefully by the time we reach Bisle, we'll have much more clearer skies. Check out the view there. We're climbing up and the view is getting better and better and better. Huge mountains. Well, this is Bisle Ghat viewpoint, but not much of a view right now due to the fog, so I couldn't get much of a shot. Couple of minutes we got the view, and again the clouds came in, so it was not a great thing to come here during monsoon because of the clouds. You can't see much, but anyway, the ride up to here was brilliant. Bisle Forest, amazing it looks. But there are a lot of wildlife here, and one of the highest number of king cobras, Agumbe and Bisle Ghat. They put a board saying watch out for snakes, so don't venture into the forest. You never know, you might get bitten by a snake. It's not worth taking a risk. So we're out of the forest checkpost or into the forest checkpost, I'm not sure. There was a checkpost there. Seems like they're still in the forest. Well, the time right now it's 12:20. Hope to reach Charmadi by around 1:15, and then from there towards Chikkamagalur town. If possible, we'll stop over at Malandur View Point. Again, supposed to be a beautiful sunset. So sad. Well, there's a small little waterfall and stream here. Well, see the beautiful mountains of Chikkamagalur with the clouds running through them. Looks gorgeous. So that is, now you can't see the Patta Betta, which is a nice off-roading place, but since I was on a solo trip, I didn't want to try it. It's quite a technical climb, about 4 to 5 kilometers of hardcore technical trail. Supposed to be tougher than Hosahalli Betta.
Well, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and do like my Facebook fan page, which is also Djmahaneet.
Kuda Raste. We're back to coffee estates again. I think we're done with the forest area. Bisle Forest. It's pretty dense. All the hills around Chikkamagalur, Sakleshpur have this grassland kind of look. The trees are there only till a certain level. Probably you can climb that hill also. Chikkamagalur town. Just entering the town now. Lot of mountains around. Another 23 kilometers. That's the end of my day 1 and episode 2, the ride to Chikkamagalur, as I'm just entering the Chikkamagalur town. I'm going to be staying at the Chikkamagalur Golf Club. We're going to be having a small get together here with a few friends, and then tomorrow going to head off early to Mulangiri and then Baba Budangiri. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My ID is Mahaneet on YouTube, and do hit the bell icon, and also give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. So catch you on my next vlog. Until then, sayonara.